welcome back to my channel. As a disclaimer, this is a two-part video, so if you're new or you haven't watched part 1 of my room makeover yet, I'll link it in the cards for you, and while you're at it, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. But before getting started, I did want to thank all of you for complimenting my voice. I actually hate hearing it so much, but I definitely felt validated, so thank you. After weeks of waiting, my bed finally came in the mail, and to be honest, I let it sit in my living room until I was ready to assemble it. Moving my bed gave me space to sand the wall down from the holes I patched in part 1 and to finally paint it comfortably without getting debris all over my sheets and pillows. The first 10 minutes I looked at the instruction manual for my bed like this, then I turned on an episode of Glee and got straight to it.
Right in my soul.
As you can see, my headboard is lower than expected because I do have a box spring in addition to the slats on the bed, and since the box spring is relatively new, I decided I'll have a very high bed until I move out, and I'll just buy a bed skirt to hide the box spring in the meantime. Then I got to the dresser. In the first video, you saw me looking up a dresser. After weeks and weeks of waiting, it still hadn't shipped, so I looked at IKEA and found one that would perfectly match my desk. So I took the liberty of going ahead and canceling my original dresser and told myself I would go pick it up from IKEA, only to find out that IKEA's nationwide are closed and they don't ship to my address, even though the website offered curbside pickup. At this point, I had no dresser, so I went ahead and decided that I would paint this one. This one is old, so I did go ahead and nail together the loose backing because clothes would sometimes fall back there. To make the paint stick better, I used this varnish stripper, let it sit for an hour, and wiped it down with a towel before starting to paint it. To feel like I really transformed my dresser, I also went ahead and added some knobs that I got at Lowe's for about $1 each. As you can see, the drawers are a little bit saggy because they're old and they've been through a lot, but I didn't feel like fixing them because my clothes were all over my room for several days while the dresser was drying and I was getting tired of it. So in a future video, I will definitely be fixing my saggy drawers.
Right in my soul, like you feel that shit every time.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
I posted a tutorial on how to make this 3D canvas art a few days ago, so if you're interested in how I made it, make sure you check it out. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you liked what you saw, please hit the subscribe button and leave me a like and let me know what your favorite thing is in my new transformed room. Thank you for watching.